welcome back to another video from Grandkids How Do I. I'm your host Akash. In this video I will teach you how to set up a Facebook account. So here in the middle of your page, your browser's page, or at the top, you can type Facebook. Then you can click Facebook login or sign up. And if you already have a Facebook account, you can type in the information here and click login. But I am teaching you how to set up the account, so you will click create new account. You type in your name. And you can type in your phone number or your email that you created in the how to create a email account. So I am going to use my email account. I'm going to re-enter it. You have to re-enter your Gmail account to make sure that you have everything correct, and you can select a password. And can input your date of birth, and select your gender, female, male, or custom. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to select custom. You can select your pronouns and select your gender. That is optional. Go ahead and click sign up. It's too short. I'm gonna go ahead and change that. For the purposes of this video, I just put G, but I will add more. There you go. Now you can click sign up. Now you should have gotten a code through your Gmail account. Waiting for that code to come up on my end. Okay, here's the number. 591560. That's the code that I got in from my email. It was sent by Facebook. Click continue. Wonderful. You have your own Gmail account. And you can make friends, you can look up things you want to buy, you can watch videos. There's lots of things you can do with Facebook. I hope you had a lot of fun learning how to create a Facebook account. Thank you for watching.